Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to create a different type of list than the ones I showed before. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own starter pack to show people what are some good creators and posters and other interesting people to follow on Bluesky when they're just joining and they need some help knowing where to get started. So if you go to your profile, which is where they're kept, there's these several different tabs here at the top. You can go to starter packs, and this is where you can either have Bluesky recommend one for you, or you can create your own starter pack for people to see. So this is cryptid related starter pack, because I'm a Chupacabra, that's kind of what we do. A quick collection of creators and accounts that deal in mythical creatures, cryptids, and fantasy monsters. And then we'll click next. I can also, wait, did that allow me to add a picture? No, it didn't. I was gonna say, I think it just creates a picture based upon the people that I add to the list. So I can look up cryptid. So there's like carnival cryptid. I've actually not vetted any of these people, so I have no idea if they even post anything cryptid related. But I'm just going to grab some random people to suggest in this list. And then you need like at least 6 people to get started. And then this feed, add some feeds to your starter pack. Oh, I'm going to add what sounds interesting. Are there cryptid feeds? Oh yeah, there is a cryptid feed, and cryptids and spooky VTubers and UK cryptid chat and cryptids, and oh, actually, there's a lot more cryptid shenanigans than I thought there were. I'm actually quite impressed by that. Then I can click finish, and that's putting together my lovely starter pack. So I can now share this with people, or I can share this with either a QR code or a link. And that's my getting started starter pack. Now, the thing that's different between a list and a starter pack is people who are on this starter pack can actually click when they're listed in here. They can find themselves in this list and remove themselves from the starter pack. I'm not sure how that works. I saw a post about that a couple of days ago, but you can remove yourself from starter packs, and you can remove yourself from people that you don't like from quoting you as well on Bluesky, so that you don't have to associate yourself with people that you don't like. So this is what the starter pack looks like. People can share and follow the people in here. They can look at all the content being posted in the feed. Or, well, this is the feed, so they can click on each of these feeds and see if it's what they're interested in seeing. And then these are the posts from the people who are a part of the starter pack. And you can see if these are actually people that you would be interested in seeing more content from. So, yeah, I mean, it's basically a lot like lists, but this is meant for you to follow people as opposed to just following the list. This is more of like, look at my list of suggested human beings. You should follow them and enjoy their work. So, yeah, that's just a quick look at how starter packs work and how to create them. I'm going to go ahead and delete this one because I haven't actually vetted anyone in it, and I see that some of them make not safe for work content, and I'd rather not get in trouble with YouTube for that. So, yeah, that's starter packs. I hope you found this interesting. I've been your host, Larry. This has been a brief look. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.